Hi guys, today I'm here to give you guys a quick video. This is not my usual videos. It's different from my weekly M1 finance update. I'm here to show you guys how I made 2,322 hours. I say 22 hours because I bought these stocks at 9 a.m. yesterday, Hawaii time, and I sold it at 7 a.m. So here we go. Actually, this was a mistake. I'm gonna tell you guys that right now before you guys think I'm stupid for doing this. So the stocks that made me this 2,300 is called the Genius brand. And as you guys can see, it's soaring like crazy right now. But let me show you real quick how I made this 2,300. If we go to my history, I bought 1,000 shares of GNUS yesterday at $3.70. When I woke up this morning, I saw it at $6.22. So I told myself that, oh, let me do a stop loss sell at $6 because I don't think it's gonna go down that. But just in case if it goes down, I still make a profit. So 10 minutes, not even 10 minutes later, the stock went down to $5.94. So the stop loss sale initiated, it was sold at $6,000. So let's see, 6,000 minus 3,700. So yeah, I made 2,300 because of the stop loss sell. I actually felt bad when that happened, even though I gained $2,300 because the stock was going up. So I bought more stocks. So right now, I don't think it's too late to hop on the trade for the Genius brand because it looks like it's gonna go up and it may reach $10 this week. As you guys can see, I went back to the market again. After I sold my 6,000 shares, I bought another 1,000 shares. As you guys can see right now, it's still going up. At the moment, my return is $973.71. It keeps going up and down. Oh, by the way, Genius brand, they pretty much make animated cartoon programs for children. Which they distribute worldwide. The reason why it's going up because on May 6th, they announced that they will be merging with the Kid Genius Cartoon Channel and Baby Genius TV digital platforms into one network. Pretty much, their shows will be on Netflix, TV Apple, and Amazon Prime. Pretty much, I can see this stock going up until June 15 or after that. I'm not gonna make the same mistake again. I'm gonna hold this until past June 15 to 20, and then it will depends what happened after that. So yeah, that's how I made my $2,300 in 22 hours. If you guys want to invest into stock, try considering Genius brand because it's gonna go up if you have the money to buy even 100 shares. Or if you really have money, you can buy 1,000 shares and just get all that gains. If you think this video is helpful and if you decide to invest into this stock, just smash that like button for me, please. And of course, don't forget to subscribe into my channel. Thank you, guys.